How to download Roblox on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and also make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Now, once you have opened App Store, tap on the search bar there and search for Roblox. And further, if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with little cloud-like icon. So tap on that for the download to begin. And if you have not downloaded the application previously, then you will see the Get button. So go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Now, wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the open option you see there. And once you have launched the application, go ahead and sign yourself in and use Roblox further. So this is how you can download Roblox on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.